Well, hello there. It's me, Joshua Harrell, and I am in Reykjavik, Iceland. I am staying at the 101 Hotel in Reykjavik. That's why I'm donning this bathrobe. I wanted to represent the hotel. Anyway, it is such a cute, stylish boutique hotel. It reminds me of some of the cute boutique hotels I used to stay at in Beverly Hills. Small spaces, but nice little touches. So the hallways are nice and dark, and then you come into this bright space with all the windows. I mean, I have the windows open because I love. I mean, I'm on the fourth floor, so nobody can see in. That's not creepy, but I mean, you can see just how much of a view you have of looking at kind of the, I don't know if you can see through the window there, but you can see the newer part of the city, as well as there's this little park area that I was just at a little bit ago, and I was talking about how cold it is. It's August right now, and it is cold. I was in my parka earlier, so I'm just saying I'm not in my bathrobe because it's too hot for me. I just wanted to, get ready for a nice, relaxing shower after I have been traveling all day. So anyway, just a quick view of the room, first impressions. So talk about little touches. I love that we've got a little branded throw right here, a little fuzzy wool throw. That's kind of cute. And then we've got a little like slipper chair, benchy type thing here, right? Like let me put my slippers on, let me put my shoes on, that kind of thing. Um, End tables, not it's stylish, not taking up too much space. The bed is a nice platform bed, nice and inviting. I love a white comforter. I do, especially because it makes you definitely know that the room is clean, or at least it gives that impression, right? I'm sure people could challenge me on that. Here, we've got some storage. Doesn't that just say Iceland? I think that does. I've got an umbrella because chances are it could rain. I've got my clothes can hang right there. I haven't even opened up any of this. I literally just came in to the room. My bags are in the hallway because I wanted to make sure I could show you around the room. But here, opening up the cabinet for the first time, and I've got my TV in here. There's a little lounge area downstairs with a bar and a little breakfast area, and they have lots of coffee table books. It again, boutique feel. It feels very stylish, and you're right in the middle of this. You're right in the middle of new city as well as the old city. So I had a nice little wander around before my room was ready. You get your little snacks and things. You're safe. Mini bar down there. And then these pull out better than the way that I just did it. So yeah, we've got a nice little closet with stuff. Look at this. Look at where my office is going to be for the next day. I've got this nice long table here, very modern looking. Again, looking out over these windows. Love it, love it, love it. Look in here at, again, I love a nice mirror here. It makes the room feel so much bigger. But yeah, got a nice gigantic mirror going on. Here is my sink, very modern sink. Everything's very open. I love that. I wish I could do that at my own house, but it just wouldn't work. My stuff is not stylish. And then we've got glass shower looking out over this amazing view. Let's walk in the shower. Let's see if we can do this. This is kind of fun. There is a whole mirror here in the shower. So you can shower and watch yourself, which that's kind of fun. Rain shower, and then we've got the little handheld, kind of handy, right? Okay, and then in the frosted glass, which I do love a frosted glass toilet, We just have a nice little modern toilet area, but I do like the frosted glass. I've been staying in a few places where the toilet is just clear glass, so a little bit of privacy. Yeah, so I'm excited. I'm only here for one night, so I'm not going to destroy the room, but I am traveling for 2 weeks. So, staying in a smaller boutique hotel with 2 weeks worth of luggage, I had to leave all of that outside. So, I just landed. I've been traveling all day to get from San Francisco to Iceland. Iceland. I really landed on land there, to Reykjavik. So, I'm going to bring my stuff in and I'm going to take my shower. Well, but I'm going to bring my stuff in and then I'm going to put the little privacy please sign on the door, take my shower, and rest up because tomorrow I get to go on the brand new Norwegian cruise line Prima on its christening sailing out of Reykjavik, and I am so excited. So, anyway, I hope you enjoyed my quick tour. Wish you were here.